G'day, welcome back to RC Model Reviews. Got some packages in the mail. Look at this, finally some stuff came in the mail. This is something from, well, let's open it up and have a look. I think it's from, what do they call themselves? Mudlead. That's the guys I featured their channel a while ago on my XJet channel. Fantastic FPV stuff, brilliant. And they do some LED systems. I think this is one of them. Let's have a look. What is it? Ooh, it is Mud Dart RC. I'll just pull in on this so you can have a closer look. Hang on. Here it is. It's an LED controller, and you can probably do the QR code on your screen if you want to see what the website says. Obviously, this is where the manual is. Looks like it's got an ESP32 or something on it. Look at that. Ooh, and that's an LED controller, as you can see. I'm looking forward to putting this on. I want to get some evening flying and some early night flying, perhaps early morning flying. And LEDs are fantastic if you've got a model, especially if you're doing FPV chase, if you've got something to follow. And if you look at the Mud Dart RC YouTube channel, you'll see examples of what I'm talking about. They have some good LEDs on their models. I'll actually put a link in the description of this if I remember. Hopefully I remember. So go and have a look. Mud Dart RC. So we'll be putting that on a model and trying it out, see how it goes. Should be quite interesting. What else did we have on the bench? Well, this is unusual. It's a package from Moscow, Russian Federation. I don't think I've had a package from Moscow before, from Russia before, from my Soviet, is it Soviet? I don't know, not anymore, is it? I don't know. Anyway, from Russia, fantastic, brilliant. Thank you, comrade. Yeah, let's have a look and see what's in it. Let's open it up with the magic knife. And we have, here we go, Russian bubble wrap. You know it's Russian because it's red. How about that? Ooh, what else is in here? This is looking good. And in a nice little foam pouch. I've got no idea what this is. I didn't even look on the declaration to see. It is RCM Labs, Russia. Okay. Ooh, it's a circuit board and some leads. I have a feeling I know what this might be. Let's have a look. Here we go. Was there a note? I have to see if there's a note in here. Hopefully people put notes in so that, you may have even emailed me and I didn't actually remember the email because I'm very old. I'm just pulling apart the package to see if there's a letter or anything. Just off shot. Excuse me. Just talk amongst yourselves while I do this. I should have been better prepared, but let's open this up. Is there I think it's just a declaration. It's just a declaration. It says on the declaration, onboard glow plug driver. Ooh, for my Nitro fans. Fantastic. Look at this, and there's RCM Labs in Russia. Let's open up the little plastic bag and see what's in here. It's very well packaged. I'm so keen. I've mentioned before, I really am keen to promote, or showcase at least, the products from smaller companies, especially ones that, you know, not Banggood and all that sort of stuff, because there's some fantastic stuff comes out of small companies around the world. So we have a JST connector, probably goes off to the battery. We have, that probably goes off to your RC unit, I would suspect. And here is the little glow clip. Look at that, that clips onto your glow plug. And that earths under one of the engine mounting bolts. You get a screwdriver. Oh, look at everything you could need. And a piece of paper. It's a sticker. Is it a sticker? I don't know. Let's have a look. Everyone loves stickers. I don't know. It might not be a sticker. I can't figure it out. I think it's just a piece of paper. But there it is. That is the onboard glow driver. That is brilliant. And it's got on the silk screen for the circuit board. It has the connections there, so we know what to wire up. That is fantastic because I have my P51 Nitro Mustang and the engine's inverted. It's a pain in the ass to get the glow clip off and on, and inevitably my Glow Star battery is flat anyway, so I will put this on my P51 and hopefully in the next weekend or two I will give it a damn good try, see how it goes. But this is really handy if you are into Nitro and you're building scale models and everything's tucked away behind a cowl. These things are invaluable. They make such a huge difference to the ease with which you can use your model. So I wonder if it's got things like heat on low throttle. All these things I will test out, because what normally happens with some of these glow drivers is that when you bring the throttle back to a certain point, the glow plug will energize. It can either work that way or you just have a switch to switch the glow off and on. I'm not sure which way it works on this. We will find out and I will report back, but thank you so much. You find the piece of paper. Alexei Solovyev. Thank you, my friend. We will put this to the test. He sent me 2 of them, and I've got 2 models in mind where this is brilliant. So, yep, if you're looking for a Nitro Glow starter on board, this could be just the bee's knees. So that's basically what arrived in the mail today. A reminder, if you've got stuff and you want me, even initially when I get stuff, I will just showcase it like this so you know it exists. Then I'll get stuck into using it because that's the best way to review stuff. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.